Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 21st, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, we will have our live chat tonight at 8 p.m., so look forward to seeing you all there. We'll talk about the rainstorm that is developing, which we'll touch on today. And we'll also discuss the summer forecast and also the tropical Atlantic forecast, and of course, answering all of your questions. So looking forward to that. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe. It actually helps the channel out quite a bit, and hit that notification bell. And if you're interested in technical discussions and details on why we're seeing this rainstorm, definitely check out the premium consulting membership, only $15 a month. Okay, let's dive into the data. Take a look at what we have here. A nice easterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, at times gusting up to about 25 miles per hour, as a storm is starting to develop to our south. And as a result, overcast cloud cover and scattered showers are developing. Now, as we've gone through the morning, we've seen this signal increase in coverage. And what that basically means is light to moderate rainfall is starting to develop within these showers and spread in some locations, this drizzle. So what does that look like on the radar? Well, a bit more bark than bite. Now, a lot of this is not reaching the ground just yet, but as we move on through the morning, this will continue to increase in coverage and will start to match the radar signals to the observations, and you're going to see more and more locations report rainfall as we move on through the day. As that is evolving, you can see these three waves of low pressure. Well, eventually, this one will become the primary low pressure system, the stronger low pressure system of the three. This one will fade away, and this one will fade away as we move on through the next 36 hours. And what that will lead to is a nice coastal storm sitting off the New Jersey coast by tomorrow morning, producing periods of moderate to heavy rainfall on the coastal plain and moderate rainfall over the interior. Anyway, you slice it, you're looking at a range of a half an inch over the interior to as much as 2.5 inches along the coast in some spots as this low pressure system matures. So what does that look like in terms of the satellite picture? Well, this is the infrared satellite picture, and what you have here is the old primary low, upper level low, one here, kind of stretched out, and you kind of have this broad negatively tilted trough, and then you have the warm air surging, so you get these showers here in the mid levels, and that's what's producing the showers today. And then notice you're getting these colder cloud tops starting to linger here over the coastal waters. As this whole setup shifts towards the coast, you're going to see a growth of colder cloud tops over the coastal waters and over the coastal plain, and that will lead to our low pressure system developing and our rainstorm. So this is all evolving right over us as we speak. So that is why we're seeing rainfall today, and we'll continue to see rainfall tomorrow. And unfortunately, remaining pesky showers and cool throughout the Memorial Day weekend. But let's take a look at some of the details there, because this isn't going to be a washout, but certainly not summer-like conditions, that is for sure. So for today, look for showers to expand in coverage, becoming a few moderate downpours from time to time. Not a complete washout, but definitely damp and cool, with temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, our new coastal zone starts to take shape off the New Jersey coast at around 1,000 millibars. Keep an eye on this as we move on through this forecast. You'll see this strengthen steadily. So by tomorrow morning, our low pressure system is off the coast. You're going to see a focus of moderate to heavy rainfall on the coastal plain, lighter rainfall over the interior. That's why we're expecting lighter rainfall. And then the remnants of the old upper level low back here towards the Great Lakes. So this is all kind of getting stretched out to the west. So you'll see periods of rain with low temperatures, rather cool, even chilly in some respects, mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. By tomorrow afternoon, there's our low pressure system down to 996 millibars, intensifying while moving through the coastal waters to the south of Long Island. Look for periods of moderate to heavy rainfall along the coast. With this strong lifting, we'll start to see a cutoff in the rainfall over southern New Jersey, but that's still going to take some time. So it's still going to be a very wet period of weather along the coastal plain, even down towards the Delmarva Peninsula. With after this heavier band lifts through, you're still going to deal with drizzle and cloudy skies and scattered showers. So by no means does it improve all that much once this heavy band lifts to the north and east of your location. Meanwhile, over the interior, cloudy, raw, scattered showers, drizzle, just raw weather conditions with high temperatures only in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. So not exactly the best weather conditions, that is for sure. On Thursday night into Friday morning, our low pressure system lifts into the Gulf of Maine, and that's going to lead to variable cloud cover by Friday morning with still lingering scattered showers around the region. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and suburbs, upper 40s to lower 50s over the urban areas. And by Friday afternoon, we're going to have a mix of sun and clouds with scattered showers around the region. Not a washout, but certainly not the best weather conditions for outdoor activities, with high temperatures only in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, and upper 50s to lower 60s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, we see some improvement. The storm at this point is weakening and sitting over the Gulf of Maine, and that's going to lead to a mix of sun and clouds and widely scattered isolated showers. The intensity of the rainfall will back off significantly, so we're talking about a hundredth of an inch of rainfall rather than inches of rainfall. So much lighter rainfall potential by Saturday, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. On Sunday, we improve a little bit more. Again, a mix of sun and clouds, a few isolated showers, but still kind of cool, okay? But a little bit more sunshine. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures on Sunday will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 60s along the coast. By Monday, Memorial Day, well, okay, not the best weather conditions, but not a washout. Scattered cloud cover. A lot of this is just isolated showers here. So mixed sun clouds, isolated showers, still cool. Again, not beach weather in any way, shape, or form, but you could probably pull off a barbecue. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley, mid to upper 60s along the coast. On Tuesday, we'll have an earth trough swing on through with an isolated shower or two, but for the most part, we're just looking at a mix of sun and clouds. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. By Tuesday afternoon, look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior and along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. And then on Wednesday, another area of low pressure will pass to our south with scattered showers around the region. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior and along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you tonight at 8 p.m. In the meantime, stay safe out there.